Okay, so this is our first time washing with the Costway mini compact washing machine. You want to make sure it's on normal, not on drain, because that lets out all the water. This is the timer. This is what starts it, and this is for the spinner. We don't need this right now. So we have our hot water in there. We're gonna pour our Tide. Not sponsored by Tide yet, but we will be. Insert evil laugh. Okay, so we got our detergent in there. I'm gonna start loading up our clothes. Okay, so t-shirts. Basically what I had laying around in the house that I felt was dirty. It's not too dirty. I mean, I've been working on the floors, been painting. So, you know, whatever. So now we're about to start it up. Should I add the OxyClean now or no?
That's the part of the washing, yeah. The softener is what makes the materials.
Okay. What about the bleach?
Yeah.
Add the bleach now. Okay. So we're adding our OxyClean. Our white Revive. We're gonna see, we have some dirty stuff in there. We're gonna see how white they turn out, and we're gonna pour in some bleach. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys.
Just like a one. Oh, COD.
I didn't know these.
These just gonna be icy as hell.
Yeah, they're gonna be fresh. Alright, so I think we're ready to start it. We're gonna put it on, what should we put it on? 15?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, lit. So it started. Or maybe it didn't. Yes, it did. When you open it, it doesn't stop washing it. It'll keep washing it. Get in there. So we have it set at 15 minutes right now. We'll give you guys an update. This is the first time using it. Let's see how it goes.